So I'm starting to wind down the video for the central haul. That's probably all I'm going to do today. And finish up the other hauls on the other days. I'll probably have to do 2 hauls in one day since it's only 3 days now. But there's one car that I've seen that's been catching my eye, and it's the new GR86 and the Subaru BRZs and the Scion FRS. There's actually a couple companies out here that already have them. I saw the GR86 at the Toyota. Flip the camera wrong way. At the Toyota booth. Now I'm seeing the Subaru BRZ right here at HKS's booth. And this one is actually extremely nice. I love this. I can't wait to see the body kits that people come out with for this. They're going to look amazing. There's so much right now currently for the BRZs and FRSs that are out there at the moment. So I just can't wait to see how people go crazy with these ones. They're such easy cars to modify and do so much with them. Check out this one right here at Cusco's booth. They actually already have a Pandem body kit. I didn't even see that. They already have a body kit for it. That's insane. This is going to be a nice project car. They're already developing body kits, exhausts, and everything. See, these are the kind of cars that are easy to work on. I love my RCF to death, but there's just such limited products out there for it. But with this car, already developing, and it hasn't even been released yet. I thought I was done filming for the day, but I guess I passed right by this on my way to run to see TJ, because it's right here at the front, the Ford booth. They got a whole freaking wall, and I did not know anything about this. That they are unveiling Mustang Mach E4X. It's a smaller, sportier version of the Mustang Mach-E, and it looks sexy as hell. I'm not gonna lie, this actually looks really sporty and really nice. I'm a huge Tesla advocate, and I love Tesla, but this looks a lot nicer, and might be a little bit better quality parts in there. If that has a reasonable sticker price, that is a great buy. It looks like there's a lot to do to it, a lot of modifications, and it really looks nice just being stock with that small little wing on there. They got a Shelby version of it as well. Oh my God, Ford is stepping up their game. They are not gonna let Tesla take over. They brought out the Mach-E, and now they're bringing out other versions and giving Tesla a run for their money. You got a very deep bonnet hood right there. Nice, I think 20-inch wheels right there. Let me see. Yep, 20-inch wheels. E4X Shelby. This one doesn't have a wing. It looks a little bigger than the other one. Let's see if we can get a peek in the interior.
Same interior.
I'm barely seeing there, but it looks amazing. Look at that front lip.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Alex here with TFL. I'm here at Sema.
Forged carbon. I hope that's real. Yeah, that is real. Real forged carbon. I don't understand why they didn't go with the rest of it forged carbon. They just went regular plastic up there. Got a huge, nice Ford showcase right here with a bunch of classic Cobras.
Once again, still competing with Tesla. Made a classic into an electric.
They converted this old school Cobra into a full electric vehicle.
Here's a charging port. Cable.
That's crazy. Super performance. All of these are nice out here, but that's crazy to do that to an old classic like that. The interior. Went simplistic a little bit though. I like it. It's not too much. They could have decorated a little bit more. It's a beauty. Just walked outside to get some fresh air because we were falling asleep a little bit. And now we come outside and there's this crazy show that we've been missing
Are you not entertained? Make some noise. Bongi Jr., Chelsea, no out here. There we go.
This was out here the whole time we were inside. No wonder we were falling asleep. There's a few more things before I end this video that I want to show you guys, just in case you've been living under a rock and you haven't seen this on social media, because it's been everywhere, on my TikTok, on my Instagram, all over. This beautiful Ferrari by Creative Bespoke. They are what I envision Visionary Motors to be one day. Completely customize a car from inside and out to make it this beautiful and amazing. They got starlights inside. I've seen it on the TikTok video. They got custom wheels, full carbon fiber parts all over. Wrapped it, this amazing camo wrap right here, or not camo, but this matte army green wrap. I don't see anything wrong with this car. This thing is beautiful. This Lamborghini is also beautiful, but I've just never seen a Ferrari this decked out. It's incredible. Let me show you that rear. It's always about the rear. Oh, we're getting blocked. Hold up. Excuse me. Sorry. We got the F1 brake light, dual exhaust. Creative Bespoke decals on the taillights. That's insane. I love this car. This thing is beautiful. Even the interior. I've seen the C8 on TikTok and Instagram as well. This thing is also a beautiful car. Tandem wide body on the C8 Corvette. Well, too many people are gathered on this car. I can't get you guys a good angle. There you go. The best angle. This tandem wide body is bolted everywhere. Guaranteeing that thing's not gonna fall off. LD97 Force wheels. Man, everybody's all gathered around. I can't get into angle. The black and gold decals just give this car a nice, classy look. We're walking back towards Streethunter, or not Streethunter, the Magnaflow booth to see the Streethunter kit be unveiled, and we passed by this YouTube Supercar driven out here at the Rohana outside booth. That sticker, I'm pretty sure it says filthy, which this car is 100% filthy. Look at this. I love these double bonnet hoods, and I can't wait until mine arrives. These cars are so beautiful, but I've just heard so many things about them that they break down and that they're not worth keeping for so long. I would love to own one though. Back in the Central Hall again, heading over to the Magnaflow booth. I keep getting it wrong. TJ's at 3 different booths. He's got the Valvoline, the Magnaflow, and the Meguiar's. Conveniently, Meguiar's and Magnaflow are side by side. But we're heading over there right now. We gotta check that out and then call it a day. It is still 2 p.m., but we've done at least 2 hauls now. Half of the South Hall, tires and wheels. There's still the upper floor that we didn't do, but we're here for 3 more days and we're getting kind of tired. We've been up since 7. All this walking's finally getting to us. I can already see, I'm walking over there, I can already see a bunch of people lined up, media, everybody ready to see this Streethunter kit be unveiled. I don't even know if he's here yet because he's outside at the Meguiar's booth signing from 1 to 2, and it's supposed to be unveiled at 2. But let's check it out if we can get a good enough view in here. It's about 1:58, something like that. It should be pulling the sheet anytime now. Man, I should have gotten here earlier like we did for the signing. Let's see if we can get around. Ah, they gotta get it off right there. It's gonna be tough.
You guys hear me? Yep. Cool. Well, I'm really late, so sorry about that. I was supposed to say thank you to everyone who made it out here. I just kind of want to start off by saying that this car, I think, has my name attached to it. I don't have to put here because my name is attached to it, but this car really belongs to a handful of people. The Streethunter team, it is not me. It is a team of a bunch of people, amazing people who have dedication, creativity, hard work that goes into everything. Dylan, Lee, John, who has been dealing with me. I have called John. John is our designer, and I called him probably once a week. I'm like, John, I have this idea. Can you just drop what you're doing and just like let's just work on this really quick. And all the guys at SOS, Watch the Vlogs, Oscar, Saul, so many people. All the guys at H3, Magnaflow, LMR. So I first want to start off and give the spotlight to them and say that this car really is here because of them. And I might be here delivering it, and I might draw the attention, but that's my main focus today. So I just want to give a round of applause for all of them really quick. Okay, so let's talk about this car. So this pretty cool Streethunter was actually born here 2 years ago, 2019. Sema, we had the Streethunter, which at that time no one had heard what it was. I think there was like 10 Tandem, Rocket Bunny, Supras, and then there was this one like Supra that was like built by some YouTuber and was kind of. I think that we had a lot going for us that year and had a lot of pressure. And did the unveiling, and we got such a positive response. It was very overwhelming, very, very well accepted. We did really great, and then from then we've been developing and we really focused on the C8. So this kit right here is what we are calling our V1.5. So, you know, there is a red one that's already out. Shout out to MPD. They have theirs here. There's another boy here with a C8. So this one differs from that with a few extra pieces here. So the 3 pieces that are going to come out with this car is we have a new hood for this car we've been working on. So the hood, and then we also have what I think a lot of people on the internet have been seeing and are really excited about, which you can actually kind of see off the top, is we have a roof scoop, which I think is really cool. I think a lot of the C8 world really is excited about that. And then following towards the rear of the car, we have the new wing stands, which you can actually kind of see. And if you saw on the vendors, that's been out for a bit. And we have our new M plates, and we have new additions to the door here. So I'll explain everything and talk about it once we pull the sheet off, but I think we should go ahead and just get on with it. Let's pull the sheet back and let's reveal V1.5 from Super. Who wants to do it? I'll stand.
Barely hear anything he's saying. That microphone's not loud enough, but it's time.
Do we start from the back or do we start from the front? The front, peel it back this way.
Make sure you get the mirrors.
Yeah, basically, take the mirrors off first. So we don't have the hard way. We were getting this ready yesterday. No pressure, guys. No one's filming. Now you take it back. So as we were talking about from the start here, so you can, what differs from V1 to V1.5 is we have the hood off the front, which I think is everyone's high pressure.
That kit is amazing. It's molded. It's not even bolted on.
Cool tip of the hat to the Ferrari that we had out here 2 years ago. That's where that kind of came from. And then what we really wanted to do this year is we wanted to add something that I think a lot of people want to see when it comes to aero, and that's functionality and performance. So on the top of the car we have the roof scoop. Now this roof scoop that we have here is our prototype version. It's kind of like what we had on our Supra when we unveiled that 2 years ago. It's what we call our prototype. So what you see is what you get. This is what the real version looks like. But this Sema timeline, Sema crunch.
And this hood is really cool. This is a midnight club shoe. I thought it was like
This car is insane. I love the molded kit. I'm glad they didn't go bolted on this one. And I'm surprised at the rear fenders, how they were able to fit such a wide wheel back there. The rim looks really small though, or the wheel looks really small. Let's check out the back. That's something we haven't seen yet. With the quad exhaust, nice simple carbon fiber diffuser. I love it.
Nice